To start, you first need to walk up to the computer. Once you tap on this computer screen, you can actually see all of the different types of categories in different ways we can actually make copies or put our photos on. As you can see, there's print enlargements, photo books, canvas and decor, posters and banners, and a lot more other options. And once you've actually selected the one of your choice, it's all pretty similar, but you can actually see we can actually click on more options if none of these are the exact print you're looking for. But once you've actually selected your option, you actually can see we can actually upload all of our files to this computer just on the screen right here from a mobile device, digital media, online store, CD, or camera. Once you select your option of how you want to upload your files, you can actually click on which device you have, and it will give you instructions on how to connect this device to this computer or send the files to an email that is associated with this computer. Or you can scan them just on the screen right here. And once you've connected your files to this printer, it will automatically start printing them after you select the dimensions. And as you can see, we can scan down here or insert and get our prints out just from the bottom right here, which will actually print to. And that is basically all you need to do to use this photo kiosk.